Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here, continuing our phonics lessons for different syllable types. And if you remember, we have talked about several different kinds so far. The first kind we talked about were the closed syllable, where you hold up your fist, that's your signal for closed syllable. And then we talked about open syllable types. Let me see that hand open. And then we learned about silent E, the silent E syllable, and we have last been talking about the vowel team syllable type. Okay, so today we're going to continue our lesson on vowel teams. Okay, because there are lots of different vowel teams to learn. So first, you know that we find the vowels, and in this case, there are two together. This is a vowel team. Okay, and so when we see two vowels together, I like to say, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Sometimes, okay? So in this one, it's going to say O. O and A will say O. This word would be trope. Rhymes with soap. Let's look at another. Vowel team, yes or no? Not a vowel team, okay? You should be going like open, Mrs. Walt, that's open, that's an open syllable, and I know that it's going to say its long vowel sound, E, like in fee, fi, fo, fum. Is it a vowel team or no? Yeah, not a vowel team. We'll find the vowel, and it's just got one, and it's followed by a consonant. This is a closed syllable. Think about how we would read this. I see lots of brains. They go, oh, it's gr, because E says like the edge of my table. Grep. Rhymes with prep. Is this a vowel team? Yes or no? I'm having trouble getting the card in. Vowel team, yes or no? You guys are on fire today. No, this is not a vowel team. There's one vowel, but I notice a vowel. So I shouldn't say there's one vowel. There are two vowels, but they're not together. And if you remember, this is silent E syllable. The rule is say the long vowel sound. So what do you think? You guys are getting good at this. Wibe rhymes with tribe. Wibe. Okay, ready? Come on, wake up, sit up, look alive here, people. Are we ready? Ooh, what do you see? Find my vowels, and there are two together. I should be seeing fingers together. Your teachers out there should be looking at your parents and, oh, I see two fingers together. Yes, it's a vowel team. And remember, when we see two vowels together, that usually the first one is going to do the talking, okay? Long E. E together is usually always going to say E. What do you think this word is? Grill. That's a silly word. Rhymes with a real word. Reel, though. I'm going to reel that fish in. Okay, ready? Okay, I like how you're quickly finding that vowel, and you're saying, oh, this is not a vowel team. This is a closed syllable vowel followed by one or more consonants. So it's going to say short vowel sound, like itchy. I hope nobody has a itch. Okay, ready? Sound it out with me. Ist. Whist. It rhymes with wrist. My wrist is right here. Okay, ready? Okay, so I agree, one vowel there. Closed syllable. This is not a vowel team. So let's look at, we've got a blend here. Ready? Look at it. Say it to yourself. Beginning sound just like three. throp. Throp rhymes with drop. Oh, this one's a tricky one. You're right. 2 vowels. It is a vowel team. But this one is a little tricky because you know that rule I said, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Well, O and I, they are 2 wonky vowels. When you see these 2 together, O and I say oi. Oi. Like in boy. Oi. I used to have a friend in school named Oi. Oib. O and I says oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oib. Roib. I can't think of a word that rhymes with roib. Very good. Vowel team. Yes, it is. Okay, now, when you see A and I together, I like to say when A and I go walking, A does the talking. It's going to say A, long vowel sound A. So what do you think it is? You're right. T, egg, teg, teg. Going to try to trick you here. Vowel team, yes or no? If you said yes, pat yourself on the back because you remembered the rule of O and Y. When O and Y are together, that Y is changing to a vowel. It's going to say the sound oi, just like O and I did a moment ago. Remember that one? O and I and O and Y are going to say oi. Oi. Like again, my friend, oi. Sound it out. What is it? Floy. It rhymes with the real word oi. So many rules to learn, aren't there? You're going to be a pro at this before you're done with 3rd grade. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay. Silent E. That's what I was thinking. It's a silent E. Okay, you should have been silent E. And hopefully you're thinking to yourself, if I see an E on the end of a word, that tells me to try the long vowel sound. A. So this would be K-ade, cade, not cad, but K-ade, cade. Are we still awake out there? Okay, I hope so. Hope I'm not that boring. Okay. Oh, you're thinking to yourself, she's trying to trick us again, because that's not a O-Y this time. It's a A-Y, and this is not a closed syllable. When A and Y are together, remember that Y, this is a vowel team, wants to be a vowel. When you see A and Y together, it's going to say A, like, what did you say? And say and day rhyme with this word K. K-A, K. That is a vowel team. Ready? You're right. 2 E's together, definitely vowel team. Leaf, leaf. Although the real word leaf is a vowel team with a E and an A. This is the real word leaf. This is the pseudo word leaf. Pat yourself on the back if you knew that. Vowel team, yes? No. You should be signaling. Aha, very good. You guys are on fire. It is not a vowel team. This is a closed syllable. 1 vowel followed by consonant. What is it? O says like octopus. Rhymes with my friend Tom. Vowel team, Yes or no? Very good. It is a vowel team, but it's not going to say oh, is it? Who thinks they know? If you were thinking, I know she said oi says oi. So, oif, goif. It's the word goif. It's crazy. Goif. Goif. Oi says oi. Ready? I see some of you saying close syllable, close syllable. Guess what? It's not. It's a vowel team. You're like, what? Mrs. Walt, have you lost your mind? I didn't make these rules, okay? I'm just teaching them. I did not make this rule. I'm sorry. This is another wonky one, okay? A and W. Now, we never say W is a vowel, but in this case, it is a vowel team because when you see an A and a W together, they're going to say, oh. Oh, look at that cute little kitty. Everybody say, oh, oh. This word would be on. Like, I'm glad I don't have to mow the lawn in the winter or the fall. Lawn. Oh. Like in the real word, paw. My cat likes to lick its paw. AW is going to say, oh. Just like the real word, ALL. Okay, ready? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, she's trying to trick us. Yeah, vowel team. When we see A and W together, we're going to say, oh. Oh, what a cute little puppy. Oh, this word would be what? You're right. Doll. So, your job, my friends, when you are reading, and I hope you're reading every day, at least 15 minutes, and you're looking for those patterns in words that we talk about. I want you to say, oh, there's a word with an OI and it says oi. Or there's a word with an OY that says oi. Or there's a word that has an AW that says oh. My face is funny when I say oh. Yeah. Anyhow. Okay, my friends, make sure that you're using those reading strategies because trust me, you're going to come to words you don't know. And I want you to your brain to be thinking, I can do this. I can sound this out. Because if you follow the rules and you try different sounds and different rules and break those syllable types apart, you'll be able to figure out a lot of different words. Okay, happy reading, everybody. I will see you later.